Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to teach you about the Linux commands. So today I'm going to teach you about the ls command, that is the listing the directories command. So ls is used for listing the directories on the files which are all available in the specific folder. That is whenever you are trying to run the ls command to list the directories available in that folder. So let's go to the help menu of the ls command. Just go to the ls and space w. So here you can see all the switches which is available for the ls command. So there are more number of switches. So what I'm going to do is I'll just run some commands which are basically used for displaying the directories. So I'm just going to type ls and hit enter. So here you can see the almost all the files which is available in the user directory, which was available in the user directory was displayed here. And if you want a detailed, that is if you want a detailed information about the directories on the file, you just type ls-l. So here you can see it shows the detailed information about the ls file. That is, it will show the permissions which are physically available to the specific folder and also for the file. So let's see what all the things we can see for -l switch. So here you can see for -a it will list one file per line. So that is what it has does here. It was listed all the files which is available. So this is a basic command which is basically used for listing the directories, and you can see here it will list all the things which are available in that specific folder if you use the switch -a. And if you need to list only the directories, which will list the directories. For that you need to use the -d. So let's test this one. So let's -a. So it was listing all the directories including the hidden directories which is available in that folder, and I've just used -d. So here you can see it's not listing the directory. So let's check the command. So list directories entries instead of contents, and so this is because it was not listing the directories, that is, it was not the directory entries available there. And so here you can see -h is used for printing the values, that is the sizes in the human readable format. -h and -R, it will list the subdirectories. So let's test this one. So here you can see it was listing it in a human readable format, that is in kilobytes. -r. So here you can see it was listing all the directories and the contents within the directories, that is recursively it was listing the directories. So this is how you will use to list the directories with the help of the ls command. So what will you do if you want to see the contents within a directory in which you are not specifically running the command? For example, I'm just going to use the pwd command to see in which directory I'm working in. So I'm working in home and taken directory. So what I'm going to do now is I need to see the contents inside the etc and inside samba folder. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to copy the path to this location. So let's check here, ls slash etc inside samba bar. I'm just going to hit enter. So here you can see it has listed all the files inside this specific location. So from this you could understood that if you want to see the contents inside a specific folder which was situated in another location, you need to have the specific path of that folder, and if you just enter it here and hit enter, you can see all the files which is available. So this is how you're going to use the ls command. I think it would be helpful for you and it might be useful for you to learn something. And thanks for watching the video, and I will come with another type of command in my next video.